Hello traders, Lord Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com, your #1 source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this video, we will be doing a lightning recap of IOTA and Bitcoin. Wonderful trade completed, as you can see on the screen with IOTA. Nothing's changed. We've been convinced of this all along. And with Bitcoin, we have a special recap that we will show you highlights of our live stream from last night if you missed it. So let's get it going. All right, so guys, IOTA, 4-hour chart, Binance Exchange, beautiful, beautiful textbook bullish Gartley pattern. We broke out of a wedge, and from there we bottomed out, finally found it, and then we started making moves up. And if you were part of our Patreon, we alerted you to this. We also had videos made. We didn't go into too much depth on the targets of this breakout or the complexity of the Gartley pattern that made it such a reliable trade. But nevertheless, we have broken to wonderful levels. We hit the 886, which is a perfect profit-taking level with these Gartley patterns, and also the 1272 would be your exit, or just another profit-taking level if you wanted to keep and hold some for the long term, because we're just now about to be getting a golden cross on IOTA. Wonderful. We've seen those before, have we not? We've seen the beauty and the runs that have come from those. So really, really good stuff, guys. Congratulations on your trades. We've already talked to multiple people that have exited their position and taken tons and most of their profit, which you should at levels like this if you're a trader, because this will retrace. Now it will probably form a higher low when it does, and we'll get some pattern development. Maybe we'll get some sort of bullish consolidation, a bull flag or a bull pennant, and then from there we can readjust, recalibrate, and talk about targets and good levels to buy, you know, good levels of value to buy. So I just wanted to show you that recap. It works, guys. TA is awesome. Right now on the RSI we're at 84, incredible levels of positive momentum, highest levels you've seen since the 18th of March. So just wanted to go into that as a recap. The trade is complete. We've done it. Wonderful job, guys. So now what we're going to do is just take a little glimpse, sorry guys, of the Bitcoin shorts. What is it? Bitcoin to US dollar shorts, that's it. And just take a look at this, because we're about to get into the highlights of the live stream last night, us talking about this. Okay, this was an incredible disrespect of TA. Okay, huge rising wedge formed, then you broke out of it and you formed another rising wedge, and then you broke out of that. Unsustainable. Couple hours after our live stream, this all happened, and this is liquidation right here. People getting cleaned out in short positions. So we went from an all-time high of 40,717, and now we're at 24,000 in a matter of 16 hours roughly. So take heed of the warning, where when shorts get FOMO, just like bulls get FOMO and the bears get FOMO, same kind of outcome can occur for them as well. So all it took was one person, one market maker, to decide it's time to make a huge buy. It cleaned out all those people with 100 times leverage, easy. Then that started the cascade, and here we are now. So guys, thanks for tuning in. If you stick around, you'll see the highlights of our Bitcoin analysis from our Viking stream last night, our 3,000 sub celebration. So guys, without further ado, here it is. Look, man, rising wedge. Then you broke out of the rising wedge to the upside and formed another rising wedge, and now you're outside of another rising wedge. And now notice how your price is going up and the shorts keep piling in. Look, they just keep buying. They're not stopping. Y'all do realize this is like worse than the way Bitcoin was running up bullishly, right? When it was running. This is I'm telling y'all, and you're gonna be like, oh my god, Ray, I can't believe it happened, man. You were right, dude. It's gonna take one George Soros out there. There's plenty of them. There's way more than one George Soros in terms of money buying power that own bots. All it takes is one guy, one major player, to make a buy to start the short squeeze that will be, you know, written in stone, written and talked about throughout the ages. It's one of the most legendary short squeezes in cryptocurrency history, because right now we're forming FOMO, tons of shorting FOMO with Bitcoin right now. This is stupid and unsustainable. And believe me, one person, look, he'll buy it, he'll make his orders, whatever, one time, a million times, so it doesn't matter. Then all of a sudden, there are going to be people. When you start getting FOMO like this, people, what happens? People are taking very, very high levels of risk with leverage. They're over leveraging. You know what Warren Buffett said about a month and a half ago? He was interviewed on CNBC. He said they're the 3 L's. Liquor, ladies, and leverage. Those 3 L's are going to make you broke. You're going to go broke. And guess what? People are over leveraging like crazy right now. I don't know why. We went from 20,000 to 6,000. There's no risk reward. What are people doing? It's like dumb money. Really, really dumb money is shorting Bitcoin like crazy right now on stupid levels of leverage. This is how you do it with this type of leverage. You don't do it with your own money. You're doing it with your own money, and then you're also doing it with an exchange's money with that leverage. So it's creating I'm telling you, you don't have a very tight stop. You get liquidated within $100 if you're too leveraged, over leveraged, and then that'll get liquidated, and that makes you buy back all those shares and that leverage, buy back. And all of a sudden, when you buy back, all of a sudden it tanks the price a little more, and all of a sudden these people down here that had 75% or 75 times leverage or 50, they have to buy back, and then they have to buy back. All the buybacks start happening, and it creates this insane domino effect. We've seen it. I've seen it all over the stock market with small caps. You look at AAOI. That was one I was in. The short squeeze was incredible. You had like at one time 65, 70, 80% was being was short at these levels because it was so high already, and it just kept moving up, and it just kept going. The short squeeze people got killed on this that were shorting this. So that's literally how short squeezes work. It kills the short. So you gotta be careful, guys. Let's go back to this. Concern all-time highs on Bitcoin shorts, yet our price rises. This is all-time highs, guys, on Bitcoin shorts. Literally, as we speak, we're reaching them once again. Another night, another all-time high. Yep, the squeeze will be epic. You will say, oh my God, I remember Ray was talking about that squeeze, man. Now we're like 9,000 on Bitcoin because we had a technical phenomenon we had to fulfill with the falling wedge. Measure move up. Ah, the squeeze liquidating all those shorts, man. Unreal, man. TA, what's TA to the BTC shorts on Bitfinex, man? What is it, man? Dealing with a crappy connection, man. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Sorry about that. So, as you can see here, FOMO at its finest levels ever. Clear low. Oh, this is the 1 hour. Let me get the 4 hour real quick. Whew. You're past the Andromeda Galaxy. Okay. Again, within this 4 hour candle, which has only been going on for 1 hour and 20 minutes now, you're breaking to all-time highs on your shorts. People that own short positions on Bitcoin, and the price just keeps going up. So if the whales, or the one whale, decides to place an insane buy order, Bogdanov, let's do it, Bogdanov, do it. Do it, Bogdanov. Start this crazy short squeeze, the legendary short squeeze that will make us all legends. Let's do it, man. It's all it's gonna take. The FOMO is unreal at this level. I couldn't even imagine it going to the 2618. If it does, I'm glad I stayed on the sidelines and just had my hands up with Bitcoin. It's just too insane. This is insanity, man. Okay? You don't... This is Rudy Poo, man. Unsustainable stuff going on with the shorts. Alright, guys. So... Oh, man, this song... This playlist... It's the relaxing Celtic music, but it's ironically called Spring Charm, which, well, we're in spring up here in the Northern Hemisphere, and not only that, the altcoins are in spring as well. So guys, had a lot of fun tonight. It's been a successful stream. Lots of money made all around, and we're gonna keep making money, and if we don't, we're gonna preserve your capital in those trying, troubling times, which we've been doing for the past 2 months. So ONT is Troy. ONT has gone to the moon. Ascending triangle broke out. We made that trade. We made money on it. It was wonderful, man, and it kept going to the moon. It's TA is getting the run out of the book. We have complete capitulation on ONT. So look, man, 3 hours. Come on, man, 3 hours. Dude, I've been working my butt off. I've done so many coins tonight. And think about it, I did 2.5 hour stream today. During the day. Just been working hard, man. So is what it is, man. So, all right, guys. Appreciate y'all. Thanks so much for the new subs, all the contributors. Y'all mean everything to me, and I'm gonna do everything in my power to keep working hard for y'all. So, guys, until next time, stay hyped.